Hello guys, I'm Paras, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, market sliding down again, and definitely things were very volatile today, especially with Nifty. If you see, right, Nifty opened kind of flat or with a small, you can say with a small gap. I think it was flat only. I don't remember properly, but if you see, right, from here, if you see, Nifty went down, broke the previous day's low, and then again rebounded and then went down again, right? But I have went ahead, and I was knowing that, okay, at this point markets could see a little bit of profit booking because the Reliance results were also not good, right? So definitely markets could see a little bit of profit booking. But what was happening is that markets were not going down, right? After the first candle, if you see, markets were just trying to go up. So definitely I thought that, okay, maybe from here we could go up a little bit and then start coming down, right? And that is where I saw an opportunity. If you see over here, I went ahead and shorted for the 46,000 call option at 381 rupees, right? Now if you see, 381 is somewhere over here, right? Exactly at the top, right? And why I did so, right? Why did I went ahead and shorted even though the market was going up? Is that first reason is that Reliance's results were not great, right? And still nobody is selling. So definitely either the people, the big institutions are waiting for the markets to come up and then go ahead and go ahead and square up their long positions, or we are wrong, right? So what I did was that I waited for Bank Nifty to come up, right? Now, if you see over here, there is this trend line coming over here. First of all, I'll just go ahead and make it better, right? So that you guys can see over here. If you see, there is this trend line coming over here, right? What can you see, right? Markets have gone ahead and broken the day high. That is where a lot of people will start buying, right? That is where a lot of retailers will start buying. And if you see, there is instantly a resistance on the upside. So that means this is a very good place for, big institutions to go ahead and trap retailers and take the market down. And that is where I went ahead and shorted the 46,000 call option at 381 rupees. Now it has closed at 236 rupees, and I am thinking of holding it till 80 rupees, and this trade will give me almost a risk to reward of 1 is to 9. Uh, and that's when I said, right, I also, when I released the breakout video, right, I said go for trade, places where people can get trapped, right? And if you see, people would have definitely gotten trapped. If you would have taken a buying position thinking that the day high has broken, Nifty is also going up, let's go ahead and take a buying position, you would have definitely gotten trapped over here. And pretty much markets then went down again. But at this point markets have closed negative, but still there is kind of not so much negativity, right? If the market would have closed somewhere near 45,850, 800, all these levels, a little bit more lower, then I would have said that, okay, yeah, now we can think that things are definitely getting bearish, right? But yeah, markets haven't closed that low. And if you see Nifty also, right, Nifty is kind of going in this channel over here, right? If I could go ahead and make it for you guys, just give me a second, right? So this is the channel that you guys can see, right? And Nifty also tried to break out in the end from that channel, but if you see, what happened was that there was a fake breakout and Nifty again went down. So over here, tomorrow what could happen is that both Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? Bank Nifty has a very good support at 45,700. Why do I say so? Is because of the volume profile over here, right? I'm going to show you guys, just give me a second. In the volume profile, right, from this up move, from this big up move that happened, right, the most volume is at 45,700, right? 45,700, 750, all these levels. So this zone now will act as a support when Bank Nifty comes down, right? So tomorrow what you guys can do over here is that there will be a good trade that you guys can take, is that if we open flat and start crossing down, we'll wait for a 5-minute closing below 45,860, and once you get that 5-minute closing, then we guys will go ahead and take a short trade till 45,700, right? If the market sustain over here itself, right, for some time and do not see a very good reversal instantly, then you guys can also hold your position for higher targets of 45,500 on the downside, right? But if we see any sort of a reversal sign from here, right, then I think you guys should go ahead and square off your position, because then this will just be a little small pullback and then we could again see an up move happening from over here, right? So again, I will also hold my call short positions. Tomorrow, if you open with a gap up, right, then I think things will be bullish, but we'll need to wait for price action over here, right? Because what could happen is that we may open somewhere near 46,000 over here. We may try to go up a little bit, right, above this trend line, and then we may see again a fake breakout and the markets could again start going down, right? So I will go ahead and square off my call short only when I see, bullish price action being made above this trend line, right? Because if that happens, that means this trend line has been finally broken, and now we could again see an up move till at least 46,500 in the coming days, right? So again, that for bank nifty. In nifty, even if you open with a gap up, right, this will be a very good resistance area, 760 to 740, because a lot of people are trapped over here. Anybody who would have went ahead and maybe bought a call over here thinking that the markets would go up, or maybe took a long position in futures, now these guys are trapped over here. And if we go ahead up over here near 760 to 740, we could again see a little bit of selling pressure coming from here. But if we do not see a lot of selling pressure, and if Nifty sustains over here itself, right, below 780 for a long time, right, then we could see an up move again from here, and then we could also see 860 to 880 coming in coming maybe tomorrow itself or maybe day after tomorrow, right? But if you open with a gap up somewhere near 19,700, then you guys should still go ahead and be a little bearish over here, because it is not such a big opening, and we could see a little bit more correction till at least 19,600 620 levels on the downside. So again, if we open with a gap up somewhere near say 19,700, we'll wait for the markets to consolidate over here for some time, even consolidating for 4 to 5 or 3 or 4 15-minute candles and then breaking down will be fine. Then we'll keep our target till 90,600. You can alternatively also go ahead and book your profits once we reach at the low of this channel, because maybe we might again see a little bit of pullback and then going down from there. But tomorrow, if we get a follow-up, right, we could also see Nifty coming down till 19,500 to 400 in the coming days, because that is the next strong support. Before that, there is not such a big support. So again, if you open the gap down somewhere near 19,640, 630, 620, all these levels, we'll wait for a pullback till 19,650 to 680, right? This 680 to 680 to 660, this range will be very important, because if the market takes up resistance from here, then we could see a very good then we could see a very good sell-off from here, and you can also hold your positions till 19,500. But the problem is that there are a few events coming up in the next few days, starting from I think Wednesday, right? So it won't. So I think it would be better if you guys could stick to positional, positional, not stick to positional trades and just do intraday. For that time, I mean, you could go ahead and take your trades positional for tomorrow and not after that. But again, that is up to you. I do not prefer, and if I do not get my target of 80 rupees, I'll also think of squaring off my position before Wednesday's closing, right? Again, same thing with Nifty also. If you open with a gap up, do not go ahead and buy instantly. Wait for the markets to show you that they have changed their trend, and only then go ahead and buy, because there are chances that, as I said with Bank Nifty also, right, we could go up above this trend line and go up a little bit, and then again Bank Nifty could go ahead and see a sell-off, because a lot of people will go ahead and buy thinking that okay, there is a breakout, there is a the previous trend was bullish, there is a breakout, the markets will again continue to go up. Definitely the markets will continue to go up, but there is a point from where there will be good buying, and there will be a point from where there will be good selling, right? And this is a point where selling could happen more than buying, right? So unless you see price action being made above the trend line, do not go ahead and buy instantly, right? So one rule that you could follow tomorrow is that wait for price action above 46,000, only then we will go ahead and take a buying position, and we'll only go aggressive above 46,300, right? Once we get a proper closing above 43,000 46,300, until then also we will not go ahead and buy aggressively, because this is a zone where things could be a little bit volatile, right? So yeah, I guess that was it for today. And tomorrow we could see a good follow through if we open at the right places. If you even if you open with a gap down, you can go ahead and take a short position once we see a retracement till 45,900 to 920. And same thing with Nifty also, right? You wait for a retracement till the closing, till today's closing price, and then go ahead and take a short position. Do not go aggressive, or do not instantly go ahead and take a short position in both of the indices. Wait for a little bit of pullback and then go ahead and take a short trade. And tomorrow, if we get a follow-up, then I think we could see a very good correction in the coming days also. But that is something that we will discuss in the coming videos. And yeah, that was it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.